Say hi, Forrest.
Hi, Forrest! Run, Forrest, run!
Run, Groot!
Miss Stewart is a really nice lady.
This is unacceptable. It's ridiculous. I don't want to hear anything else from you. Please go.
Wait,
Bye.
but does the Bible not say, forgive as Christ God forgave you?
And the Bible also says, spare the rod, spoil the child. I am your parent during these hours. I am not sparing the rod. You may be removed from my sight. Goodbye.
She's very tall. She has really good eyesight. It's always nice to see good eyesight in a lady.
Miss Stewart, can you seriously not see?
I like the fact that she has straight hair. That's really awesome.
That's what you're gonna shoot in church.
Yeah.
Stewart.
Miss Stewart.
I look great on camera. Did you know that? I look
I know,
great.
me too. Like, I'm
Myra, please. Miss Stewart is really a godsend, and we're actually lucky to have her. And even though we don't appreciate her, we are very lucky to have Miss Stewart. But my hair is looking on point. I'm like, can you not say?
Miss Stewart loves Jesus too, so you should love Jesus too.
My concern.
Amen.
Hi! Welcome to my humble abode. I mean, my office space. Come on in, guys.
But like, I love these glasses. So all my other glasses, these ones make you look weird. Wait.
No? Did you say no?
You don't want to know what to do, you.
Who's that? Why is that the first person that you thought of?
Because she has the same name.
Rose, please don't.
Oh, sorry.
Taking a video.
Oh my gosh. Did you just skip at me, Miss Stewart?
Shivani, I
to I Am Coco on YouTube. Oh yeah.
That's your second
No,
time.
guys, let's
Shivani,
start properly.
I clearly started out with you.
Heyo!
Do you see how I'm harassed? All right, you've seen some of my lovely, wonderful students. That's a wrap. Love you, Forrest.
Oh guys, isn't Miss Stewart the best?
Totally.
Say something truthful about Miss Stewart.
I love Miss Stewart. She's the best.
Next time on Sunday Vids with Sonia. Hi everyone, I'm at Bible study eating Lay's. Check out my family.
Hi.
Helen's statue, he doesn't wave to anybody.
He's really not like this guy.